Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted message on WhatsApp. For Android devices, WhatsApp offers a handy feature that lets you back up on your chat to Google Drive and recover them later when you reinstall the app. Here's how to use it to recover deleted messages. On the WhatsApp, click the three dots at the top right and select Settings. Tap on Chat Settings. Next, scroll down and select Chat Backup. Then, verify the last backup date and time. Now, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Now, open WhatsApp again, verify your phone, and follow the on-screen prompts. When prompted, tap Restore to recover chats and media from Google Drive. The second option, restore deleted messages on WhatsApp Android using local backup. WhatsApp also creates local backups of your chats on your Android device. These backups are usually stored for 7 days. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the WhatsApp database folder in your phone's file manager. Tap on that. Now, select SD card or internal storage. Then, search for WhatsApp. Tap on that. And click on Databases. Now, rename the backup file you want to restore from. And ensure that the date corresponds to the backup you want to recover. Again, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Now, open WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and tap Restore when prompted. The restoration process will get started. Tap Next to finish setting up WhatsApp on your phone with recovered messages. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.